eToro Edge was built specifically for pro traders because we know that all the different traders have different setups, styles, tools that they like to use. They like to see different types of things in front of them. And we don't think that you should adapt to our trading platform. We think that our trading platform should adapt to you. And so what we really try to give you is an empty canvas for you to build your ideal trading cockpit. And so I'm going to show you a little bit of how this works. You start from an empty canvas and you can add different widgets. So in this case, I'm going to add a watch list, and it's the same watch list that you have on your eToro account. And if you have multiple, you can switch. And as you see, I can resize the widgets, I can move them around, I can add other widgets. So in this case, I'm going to add a charts, portfolio widget, a positions widget, and also an order ticket. And now what you see on the top left of the widgets is a little color, and this is basically the grouping of widgets, because you can have widgets on multiple screens. Okay, it doesn't even need to be on just a single screen. And if they are part of the same group, if I then change it on the watch list, all of these widgets will update to show information regarding that specific asset that I'm seeing. So in this case, for example, you see the Bitcoin trades on the chart and also on the bottom. If I open a new Bitcoin position, you will see it appearing on the chart and on the positions widget. And this is just one example. You can do much more on Edge. I invite you to try it out. It's actually live starting today on edge.etoro.com. It's a desktop app, but really try it out. There's lots of things that you can do. I just touched the surface. Edge is much deeper than that.